It's a stigma of let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court, let's go to court. Back to California, let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Patrick Smiling, Patrick Fox, Peter Fox, Noon, Gus Barrera, Humphrey, Judge Humphrey, Judge Giuliani. Let's go to court. Miss Eagles. Let's go to court. Mr. Benny. Let's go to court, Mr. Uh, uh, oh boy, Mr. Goodman. Uh, Good morning. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Ralph Sincon. Let's go to court. OG guy. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. The lawyer Humphrey. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Judge Miss Humphrey. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. I'm screaming justice. Let's go to court. 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 I'm screaming justice. 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 Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. These are all the people that deal with me in the San Joaquin County Courthouse, 1212, 22 2 West Weber Street. East Weber Street. I don't know which one it is because why they got a new one, 180 Weber Street. So here's what we saying. I have been injusticeably served here in the county of San Joaquin County. And I'm just asking for my transcripts. I'm just asking for my minute orders, and I'm asking for the county sheriff office release and book. No charges, no complaint filed. I'm just saying, I want all of these things that I had already before. Why then can I have them now? Because why? I made the call to Patrick Smiling already. I talked to the head director after Patrick, Peter Fox. She was my lawyer before too. She told me she would give me everything. I'm just asking for it because why? I'm very tired of that waiting with patience of the California Supreme Court. I see my brother's case on top of my California Supreme Court. So that tells me that it's all over and done. And I have nothing to do with my brother's case. I really want to go back on that case and show no evidence against me. I want to show evidence against me, not in any of the cases of the star witness of the DA getting there saying that I was not one of the perpetrators that he recognized in the court. I want to go back for the star witness of the DA who says that the marijuana was mine and had the girl come to court as the star witness against me for no reason, though. I mean, she had no charges filed against her. The charge that was getting her for was the marijuana, and I don't know, lying to an officer. I don't know, but for them to try to make her turn state evidence against me against shake weed, water leaves, I mean, like, I really want to show the courts have biased tensions towards me because biased judges are placed in front of me to treat me any old kind of way, I want to show that the lady that hit a boy off a bicycle was not concerned about the boy any longer after the recess, but then came back and tried to make it a show of like she was being threatened and robbed after she already testified that she was not threatened and felt like she had control of the situation because she asked the guy to move away from her car and he did so. I want to go back for the California Supreme Court. Duffy and Mr. Rose charging me for plain view seeing crack cocaine in my pocket, and my lawyer for the public defender's office not challenging any of the things of what he could have did if he rebutted, argued, or put me on the stand to show that if the officer could see what was in my pocket once again. He never claimed he had x-ray vision on or any of that. And he was in pursuit of dispatch telling him who he was chasing, him and Mr. Officer Duffy and Rose. And then there is the case that got in the California Supreme Court for someone to put my brother's alleged case in that I have nothing to do with. Why would we, Patrick Fox, Newman, and Patrick Smiling, put our case up for motion and then granted in a motion to be put in a selection of proceeding and docket and then selected in the California Supreme Court? Why then would they waste the taxpayers' money and all the people that work in the Supreme Court to get me there just to put my brother's case on there and then my brother come up murdered? I just want to know what was the case of me going all the way to appeals court without being charged for the first case, the 290. So I would like to know, why am I being still detained as a 290 and still have to be put through these injustice ways of Stockton, California, just saying they don't like a McKinney. But I can say that they have taken in the liberty to show me the respect that I am due, because why? I don't meet the criteria of what they saying that I am. A nuisance, a thug, a problematic, a hoodlum, a gangster,